Hi, Pooh Bear. Are you picking out a movie? Let's not play with the DVDs, okay? Come on. Let's come on over here. Let's show off how fast you are. Guess where you're going? Hello, sweetie. Sweetie, what are you doing? Where's Brewski? Let's go see where he is. Come on. Zaria, come on. Come on over here. Come on. Show off how you move so fast. Come on. Here she comes. Oh my goodness. She sticks her legs out so she goes even faster. Where are you going? Hi, sweet girl. Are you going to climb up? Hi. Say hi. Are you waving? Hi. Hi. No, let's not go that way. That's where Brewski's foot is. Where's the kitty? Come on. Come on. Yes, hi. Are you talking? Hi. Hi. Where you going? Gonna climb the walls? Look at you letting go, testing it out. You had to keep up with on this thing, boo-boos. Hi, G. You found the water bottle? That's the dishwasher. So Mama doesn't have to wash them. What you doing? Zaria, can you say bye-byes? Too busy? What's in there? What's that? What's that? Not really. Yes? Yes? Yes. Yes. Let's go take a bath and clean out that snugger nose. Say bye-byes.